Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to online mathematics class. So in the last class, we have started with the chapter 5, the complex numbers and quadratic equations. So in today's class, let us continue with the next concept, that is algebra of complex numbers. So here algebra is nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the two complex numbers. So let me start with the addition of two complex numbers. So here the first operation is going to be addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. So how do you add the two complex numbers? That's what we are going to discuss now. So now I will take Z1 and Z2 as the two complex numbers. So here let Z1, which is equals to A plus IB, and I'll take Z2 now, and Z2, which is equals to C plus ID, B any two complex numbers, be any two complex numbers, then Z1 plus Z2 is defined as say here, I have taken the two complex numbers now, Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID. These are the two complex numbers. So now I am going to add these two complex numbers. Here Z1 plus Z2, which is equals to A plus IB plus C plus ID. So now here whenever you are adding two complex numbers, we have to add the real parts separately and the imaginary parts separately. So here Z1 plus Z2, which is equals to, see here we get A plus C, then we get plus I common. In these two terms we have I common. So I common, we get B plus D. This is how we add the two complex numbers. I am adding the real parts plus I, and then I am adding the imaginary parts. So let me give an example for this. Here Z1, which is equals to 6 plus I3, and Z2 is equals to, and Z2 which is equals to 5 plus I4. 5 plus I4. Let us go for Z1 plus Z2 now. Z1 plus Z2, which is equals to, see here, this is in the form of A plus IB. This is in the form of C plus ID. Now we have to go for Z1 plus Z2. That is A plus C. A plus C. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Then plus I into B plus D, that is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. So now Z1 plus Z2, which is equals to 6 plus 5, it is 11, plus I write it as it is, then 3 plus 4 will be 7. So this is the sum of the two complex numbers. So this is all about addition of two complex numbers, and then we'll move on to the subtraction of the two complex numbers. So the second operation is going to be subtraction. So here or difference of two complex numbers. subtraction of two complex numbers. So again I am going to take z1 as a plus ib and z2 as c plus id, be any two complex numbers. Then z1 minus z2 is defined as, see here, z1 minus z2 a plus ib minus c plus id. So here again we have to subtract the real parts and then the imaginary part separately. Here we get z1 minus z2 which is equals to, so what do we get now, a minus c, then now we have ib minus id. So here I take plus I common, then we get b minus d. So this is the difference or subtraction of any two complex numbers. So let us take an example for this. Z1 which is equals to 2 plus I3 and Z2 which is equals to 6 plus I2. So now we shall go for Z1 minus Z2 is equals to, see here we have to go for a minus c, that is 2 minus 6. So we get 2 minus 6, then plus I, then here we get 3 minus 2. So z1 minus z2 which is equals to 2 minus 6 will be minus 4 and then plus 3 minus 2 will be 1 into I, it is I. So minus 4 plus I. This is the subtraction of the two complex numbers. So the next operation is going to be multiplication of any two complex numbers. So the next operation will be multiplication of the two complex numbers. So here I have taken z1 equal to a plus ib and z2 equal to c plus id, be any two complex numbers. Then z1 into z2 is defined as, see here, z1 into z2 which is equals to a plus ib then into c plus id. Now we have to multiply these two terms. See here, z1 into z2 which is equals to a into c, it is ac, then a into id will be plus I into AD. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Then plus I multiply these two terms now, plus I into BC, then plus IB into ID. I into I will be I square, then B into D will be BD. So now in the last class we have discussed about the value of I and I square. I andre enitri square root of -1 ittu, amele I square andre -1. So here in place of I square we can write -1. Illi I square place ದಾಗ ನಾವು -1 ಬರಿಬಹುದ್ರಿ. So now Z1 into Z2 which is equals to AC plus write this as it is now IAD plus IBC, then I square ಅಂದ್ರೆ -1 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, plus into minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, overall it becomes BD. or it becomes BD. So this can be written as Z1 into Z2 which is equals to. So now we have to group the real parts. Real parts ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಡಿ ಎರಡು ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರೀ ಇವು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ then plus in these two terms I can take I common. We get AD plus BC. We get AD plus BC. So let me give an example for this. So here example Z1 which is equals to 5 plus I2. Z1 equal to 5 plus I2 and Z2 which is equals to Z2 which is equals to 4 plus I3. 4 plus I3. Now we will have to go for Z1 into Z2 according to here we have to write I. ಇಲ್ಲಿ I ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರೆ ಎ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂರಾಗ ಐ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ. ಐ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ Z1 into Z2. Z1 into Z2 which is equals to, see here, AC. So this is A and this is C. So 5 into 4 AC minus BD, BD 2 into 3 plus I write it outside, then it is AD plus BC. A plus IB, C plus ID. AD ಅಂದರೆ 5 into 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. plus BC plus BC plus B. B ಅಂದರೆ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದ into C. C ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಅದ. So now we have to simplify this. Z1 into Z2 which is equals to 5 into 4 it is 20. 5 into 4 it is 20. Then minus 2 into 3 it is 6. Then plus I. Then 5 into 3 it is 15. Plus 2 into 4 it is 8. Then Z1 into Z2 which is equals to 20 minus 6 will be 14. 14 plus I, 15 plus 8 will be 23. 14 plus I, 23. So this is the product of or the multiplication of the two complex numbers. So again in this multiplication of two complex numbers we have an important property, that is multiplicative inverse. Let us discuss about that now. So we'll discuss about multiplicative inverse, and based on that concept you may get a question in your exam. Find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number. ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೀ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ. See here, let Z equal to A plus IB. Sorry, first we'll write the heading multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. So now I take the complex number, that is Z. Z equal to A plus IB be a complex number. Let Z equal to A plus IB be a complex number. Be a complex number. Then 1 by Z or Z inverse denotes the multiplicative inverse for a given complex number. See here. Then 1 by Z or ಇದನ್ನೇ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ Z to the power -1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Z inverse ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ. 1 by Z or Z inverse is the multiplicative is the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number, of the given complex number. So see here, I will take an example now. Find the multiplicative inverse, any random example. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 plus I5. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 plus I5. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಝೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವೀಗ, ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ರೀ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಝೆಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 plus I5, 2 plus I into 5. So now we have to find the multiplicative inverse, ಅಂದರೆ 1 by z ಆಗಬೇಕೀಗ. So now 1 by z which is equals to 1 divided by 2 plus I into 5. 1 divided by 2 plus I into 5. So now 1 by z which is equals to 1 by 2 plus I into 5. Then I am multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of this. Conjugate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆವು, ಅಕರ್ಣಿಕಾರಕ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. So now multiply and divide by the opposite sign of the denominator. 2 minus I5 divided by 2 minus I5. So now bridge course classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು. So now 1 by z which is equals to, ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ 1 into 2 minus I5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, 2 minus I5. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a plus b into a minus b ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಅದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I into 5 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I into 5 ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Then now see here, 1 by z which is equals to 2 minus I5, I will be writing it as it is, 2 minus I5 divided by 2 square ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then minus. Now square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. We get I square minus 5 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ರೀ ಅದನ್ನು. See here, the square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 5 square will be 25. Now 1 by z which is equals to 2 minus I into 5 divided by 4. But we know the value of I square. I square ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, it is -1. I square value is -1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 25. So 1 by z which is equals to 2 minus I5 as it is divided by 29. 25 plus 4 will be 29. So now here 1 by z equal to, so now separate the real part and the imaginary part. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ, 2 by 29 then minus I into 5 divided by 29 ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 1 by z which is equals to 2 divided by 29 then plus I, here we have to consider the minus sign, so minus 5 by 29. This is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 2 plus I5. So this is all about the multiplicative inverse. Next we are going for the division of the two complex numbers. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೀ, ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1/z ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಜುಗೇಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಇಟ್. Well, next I will go for division of two complex numbers, division of any two complex numbers. Well, I'll take the two complex numbers now as z1 and z2. Let z1 is equals to a plus ib, and then z2 is equals to, and z2 which is equals to c plus id, and z2 equal to c plus id. Then z1 by z2 is defined as follows. Then z1 by z2 is defined as see here, z1 by z2 which is equals to a plus ib divided by c plus id. So now we'll understand this by considering an example. Again we have to go for rationalization. Multiply and divide by c minus id and c minus id. So see here, I'll take an example. It is z1 which is equals to 6 plus i3 and z2 which is equals to 3 plus i2. Let us go for z1 by z2 now. So then z1 by z2 which is equals to 6 plus i3 divided by 3 plus i2. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? So now z1 by z2 which is equals to 6 plus i3 divided by 3 plus i2, then multiply and divide by 3 minus i2. 3 minus i2 and then here 3 minus i2. So now in the next step z1 by z2 which is equals to, see here we have to multiply these two complex numbers now. 6 into 3 it is 18, then 6 into minus i2 will be minus 12i, then i3 into 3 will be 9i plus 9i or i9, both are same. Then plus into minus it is minus, we get 3 into 2 it is 6 i square, I into I andre I square ಆಗ್ತದೆ, divided by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, 3 square minus I into 2 the whole square. Then we'll simplify this in the next step. z1 by z2 which is equals to, see here, write the numerator now, 18 then minus 12i plus 9i, ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಸಜಾತಿ ಪದಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. minus 12i plus 9i will be minus 3i. Then here we have the I square. I square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ minus 1 ಅದ. So I write minus 1 there. 3i, then minus 6 into minus 1. ಅಂದರೆ minus 6 as it is ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. I square ಅಂದರೆ minus 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ ನಾನು. Then divided by 3 square, it is 9, then minus. So here square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. I into 2 ಅದು ಹೌದ್ರಿ, I square into 2 square ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅದು 2 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Then z1 by z2 which is equals to, see here 18, write it as it is, then minus 3i, minus into minus it is plus 6 divided by 9, then I square it is minus 1, minus into minus will be plus, andre plus 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then z1 by z2 which is equals to 18 plus 6, it is 24, 24 minus 3i, 24 minus 3i divided by 9 plus 4 will be 13, it is 13. ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ z1 by z2 which is equals to 24 by 13 plus I into minus 3 by 13 into minus 3 by 13. So this is all about the division of that any two complex numbers. So with this we have completed the algebra of complex numbers.